Hey guys, this is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros. In today's video, I want to go ahead and go over one of our clients' Christmas light campaigns, right? Because right now is the season to run Christmas lights. As you know, it's November 1st, as I can see right now when I'm making this video. And so, this is the Christmas light season. This is the time when you want to make sure that your ads are right. Because what I hear from a lot of guys is that when they're running Christmas lights, they want to start on November 1st, but sometimes that's a little too late. And so I want to shed light in this video with just one of my clients, the type of results that you can expect even in October, because I'm going to be going over client results from October 1st to October 31st, right, of this year in 2023. And, the area that this client is in, they're in the Virginia area. It's a good sized city, but the thing is though, is like I said, the population may not be as high as you think. You don't need to be somewhere that's like Atlanta or, Houston, whatever it may be. You can still get really good quality Christmas lights leads, right? Because there's not a lot of people that know how to run them effectively utilizing Google Ads, right? And so you may think, well, Jonathan, I don't have much search volume. Like I'm in the middle of nowhere in Minnesota, right? But there's always a subset of people, because we've ran this for several of our clients, right? There's always a subset of people that are willing and interested in this service, even if you're in the middle of nowhere, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for this client campaign, we created two campaigns, one for Christmas lights and one for holiday lights, because we see that people look up Christmas light installation and holiday light installation, or they might look up something like holiday light installers, Christmas light installers. So what we do is we make two separate campaigns. We've recently changed this to just make it one campaign, because in the past we've seen it to where, as you guys will see it right now, both campaigns will have their own ad budget, but we've just seen it to where it works best if it's just one entire campaign. But nonetheless, it still works really good. And so right now, if you look at it, this client spent $870, right, between October 1st to October 31st, right? And they had a 26% conversion rate, which conversion rate just basically means how many leads did they get in comparison to how many clicks they got, right? Conversions are going to be basically how many times somebody called or submitted a contact form to this person. And so overall, throughout this month, right, what we did is we got 88 clicks, right? We got 23 leads out of those 88 clicks. We spent a total of $870, about around 10 bucks, about $9 per click. And we paid $37.85 per lead, right? And as you guys already know, I know a lot of guys would not mind, and these are not low quality leads, these are higher quality leads. I know that people would definitely, profit from a $37 lead, right, from Google when it comes to Christmas lights. I'm pretty sure most of us would go ahead and pay $37, a lead. And this isn't a person that's kind of in the thinking stage of things. These are people that you don't have to chase down. I know with Facebook ads, they can work very well, especially since it's a high ticket service. For things like Facebook ads, those kind of things work very well, right? Because people are expecting it to be a high ticket service. But on this, it works even better, because not only do they expect it to be a high ticket service, but also number two, they're ready for it. They're looking for it. So it's going to be easier to close. And as you guys already know, the average Christmas light installation job is going to be anywhere between the average on the lowest end, right? The average is going to be around $1,000, $750, right? And so paying 37 bucks for those kind of leads, you can easily make your money back. So this client, I know for a fact, out of this $870 that they spent, throughout this duration of this month, they at least, out of these 23 leads, and some of them were commercial. Because one thing that guys don't realize is that people, especially some commercial properties, they try to get ready. So for example, this client got actually a lead of a news station, right? And then this news station was like giving away, they wanted to basically like broadcast that they were like giving back to the community, and that they wanted to go ahead and put Christmas lights on 10 homes. And so that job was going to be very expensive. And then they also got another lead when we first started for like an apartment complex. So these things definitely do work. And they also got another lead for an HOA community as well. So those are three commercial leads that they got in, October and September. If we look at just the entire duration of since we ran it since September, as you guys can see, they spent about $1,000. They had 25 leads in that sense throughout the entire duration of the campaign, which we started in September. But these are still good numbers. They still paid 41 bucks for that, 23.58% conversion rate. And so when you look at these, you definitely want to go ahead and be starting your Google Ads or any kind of marketing that you're doing for Christmas light installation at the very latest in September, at the very latest. Because like a lot of guys aren't doing it, and those are some quick, easy wins that you can go ahead and get. And now from November on, of course, it's going to be super busy, and everybody's going to be advertising by then. But if you've made it this far to the video, right, because I want to make sure that people do watch the entirety of our videos, because as you can see right now, this client's been killing it, right? 106 clicks, 25 leads, 23% conversion rate, 41 bucks per lead with that. And, we have other clients that we can show you results for as well with this. But if you made it to this end of this video, I'm actually giving out a special deal, a special offer to run Christmas light ads for free this month, right? For the month of November for free. You only have to go ahead and put up your ad budget. But we'll build the landing page, we'll create the campaign, we'll do all of that for you, right? And we're gonna do it for free, And you say, Jonathan, why are you doing it for free? Well, we're doing it for free because we really know that we can make a value and an impact for these businesses. We know what we're doing when it comes to this. But personally, guys, I want to build up our Rolodex of good results, right? So I'm 110% confident that we'll be able to go ahead and provide guys good results. We've been doing this for the past 2 to 3 years. So if you made it this far, click the description below, right? Click the description below. Click that link, fill out that contact form for Christmas lights. And the first 3 guys to go ahead and fill that contact form out will be the first 3 people that we run these Christmas light ads for. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments, please go ahead and let me know. But yeah, we're definitely going to go ahead and, keep rocking it out for Christmas. And, I hope you guys do too. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.